name is Gabriel.
And my name is Ika. And we are going to cook lemon sponge cake.
Hello Miriam, I'm going to prepare cupcakes. Ingredients: 130 grams of butter, 120 grams of sugar, a bit of salt, 200 grams of flour, 200 grams of chocolate chips, 125 milliliters of milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 eggs. First, preheat the oven at 117 grams. Finally, put the mass in the mold and put the mold in the oven for 20-25 minutes. I hope you like. Bye!
And we are going to make our sponge cake. The ingredients are a yogurt, some oil, some flour, some sugar, 2 eggs, baking powder, and orange juice. First, we add a yogurt. We use the yogurt float to mix all the other ingredients and 1 of oil, 3 of flour, 2 of sugar, and next we add 2 eggs. Mix all. Then melt the chocolate bar in the microwave for 2 minutes, and when the chocolate bar is melted, add in the mass. When the batter is ready, put in the oven for 30 minutes. Later 30 minutes. Later is for 5 minutes.
Next, put the slice of tomato and onion between the 2 breads.
Later add the beef and the cheese. After that, you peel the potatoes and chop that. Then you fry the potatoes for 5 minutes.